Computers, whether desktop or laptop, usually don't have a good audio system. Because they have little space, they usually can't fit quality speakers. But just to solve this problem, there are many brands that design exceptional quality speakers. And you can connect it to your computer or laptop very easily. Whether via Bluetooth or physically, they'll help you listen to your music in a completely different way, and even the soundtracks of your games. There are hundreds of valuable PC speakers on the market right now, and that's why it's important to learn to distinguish between what you need. We've selected the top 5 best budget computer speakers for you. Let's go! Today we're kicking off our series of product highlights with a standout entry in the arena of budget-friendly audio solutions for 2024. The Amazon Basics USB plug-and-play speakers. Dubbed as the apex of affordability in the computer speaker market, this unit marries form and function in an impressively compact design. For those in pursuit of efficiency without the hassle, these speakers are a dream come true, eliminating the need for driver installations with their straightforward plug-and-play capability. Sporting a sleek aesthetic, the speakers boast a minimalist look with a choice of black or gray hues, complemented by a subtle metallic sheen and gentle LED illumination. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal, but also adds a touch of elegance to any contemporary workspace. Connectivity is a breeze thanks to its USB interface, ensuring a quick and easy setup. Despite their small stature, these speakers pack a punch in terms of audio output, delivering clear and powerful sound perfect for enhancing your multimedia experience. With dimensions that make them perfect for cozy nooks or limited desk space, these speakers are designed with portability in mind, making them an ideal companion for those on the move. The volume controls are intuitively designed for ease of use, allowing users to adjust the sound to their liking effortlessly. While they may not deliver deep bass, their performance is more than adequate for enjoying movies, music, and video content without breaking the bank. The only minor hiccup might be managing the extra cables, but the auditory payoff is well worth it. Good stuff. In the realm of budget-friendly computer speakers that punch well above their weight, the Creative Pebble Pro stands out as a shining beacon of value in 2024. Created by the acclaimed Creative Technology, the Pebble Pro joins the esteemed Pebble speaker lineup, bringing with it a blend of features that are hard to overlook. This model boasts an exceptional sound profile that belies its compact size, wrapped in a design that's both minimalist and stylish. Adding a dash of flair to any workspace, it comes equipped with understated RGB lighting, allowing for a personalized touch to your desktop ambiance. The Pebble Pro strides ahead of its predecessors with notable enhancements in audio performance. It leverages advanced full-range drivers and digital amplifiers that incorporate integrated sound processing technology, a significant leap from the analog components found in earlier iterations. The result is a sound experience that is surprisingly robust and clear across all volume levels, with bass output exceeding that of the prior model, Pebble V3, by up to 3.5 times. Creative's proprietary audio innovations further elevate the Pebble Pro's capability. BassFlex technology ensures an enriched low-frequency response and deeper bass without the necessity of an external subwoofer. Meanwhile, clear dialogue enhances vocal clarity, making dialogues in movies and sound more lifelike and easier to understand, a boon for any multimedia enthusiast. Despite its small stature, the Pebble Pro packs a considerable acoustic punch. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Our spotlight now shines on the Razer Leviathan V2, a standout choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking top-notch audio performance without breaking the bank in 2024. This soundbar, brought to you by the well-established brand Razer, tips the scales at a mere 845 grams, making it notably lightweight for its category. It boasts Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, ensuring seamless audio streaming across a broad frequency range of 85 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and can pump out sounds as loud as 90 decibels. What sets the Leviathan V2 apart is its customizable features, including a 10-band equalizer and vibrant LED lighting, adding a visual punch to the auditory experience. Its design is both sleek and functional, with detachable legs that allow users to fine-tune the soundbar's position for optimal acoustic alignment beneath their monitors. Such versatility makes it an indispensable companion for immersive gaming sessions and engaging entertainment experiences alike. The Razer Leviathan V2 excels in delivering Dolby 5.1 virtual surround sound, making in-game environmental sounds like footsteps and gunshots surprisingly distinct. Despite its compact dimensions, the Leviathan V2's audio quality is remarkable, characterized by full-bodied soundscapes that bring games and media to life. Connectivity is a breeze thanks to its low-latency Bluetooth link that supports smooth audio playback and the ability to switch effortlessly between your PC and up to 8 devices using the Razer Audio app. The lighting experience is equally impressive, with the soundbar integrating into the world's most extensive gaming device lighting ecosystem. It features 18 customizable lighting zones, myriad patterns, and dynamic effects that sync across all your devices, enhancing the mood and immersion. Equipped with dual full-range drivers and a powerful bottom-firing subwoofer, the Razer Leviathan V2 stands as an all-encompassing sound system. It's engineered to deliver a rich, high-fidelity audio experience that significantly elevates your gaming and listening pleasure. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note. If you're interested in any of these products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now introducing the Logitech Z207, the runner-up best budget computer speaker in 2024. These desktop speakers from Logitech deliver superior sound quality, enriching your audio experience. What sets the Z207 apart is its Bluetooth capability, allowing seamless wireless connection to not one, but 2 mobile devices simultaneously. Additionally, it supports connection to a wired device, enhancing its versatility. Utilizing Logitech's Easy Switch technology, these speakers simplify the process of managing playback, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or listening to music. Despite being a primarily Bluetooth-enabled system, the Z207 also incorporates a 3.5mm audio jack, offering users the flexibility to connect via an audio cable if preferred. The sound produced by these speakers is robust, thanks to 4 transducers that ensure a harmonious blend of mid and high frequencies, along with deep bass. Compatibility is a key feature of the Z207, supporting a range of devices beyond just computers, including TVs, tablets, and smartphones, as long as they feature Bluetooth or a 3.5mm input. This broad compatibility, coupled with Bluetooth wireless technology, facilitates effortless connection to your computer. The Z207 boasts a stereo sound output of 10 watts, attributed to 4 balanced transducers that work in concert to distribute sound evenly across bass, mid-range, and treble frequencies. The Easy Switch feature allows users to pair up to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, enabling quick and easy switching between them for a versatile listening experience. Detail is at the heart of the Z207 sound quality, producing rich stereo sound with a powerful output of 5 watts RMS and 10 watts peak. This intensity is achieved through a carefully designed 4-driver setup, where 2 drivers focus on optimizing mid and high tones, and 2 passive radiators enhance the bass. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And finally, crowning our list with a top honor as the premier budget computer speaker of 2024 is the PreSonus Aorus E3.5. Renowned for its distinction in the studio monitor landscape, PreSonus delivers an exceptional product tailor-made for compact studio environments. The Aorus 3.5 stands out as a budget-friendly yet high-quality option that doesn't skimp on sound fidelity. This studio monitor strikes a harmonious balance across the sound spectrum, providing crisp, clean outputs. The treble performance is notably clear, free from any excessive sharpness, while the mids are distinct without any muddiness. The bass is smooth, albeit lacking in depth, a characteristic that is to be expected from a speaker this size. The Aorus E3.5's capability to emit up to 100 decibels SPL at a distance of 1 meter ensures it can accommodate those who prefer their music loud despite its relatively modest sweet spot. In comparison to other speakers of similar dimensions, the Aorus E3.5 stands a cut above in performance. Construction-wise, the Aorus E3.5 is solid and durable. While it may not feature the highest end components due to its affordable pricing, the speaker nonetheless offers a commendable mix of quality parts that contribute to its overall value. One of its key design considerations is the inclusion of RF interference protection, a thoughtful addition that mitigates noise from other electronics. At its core, the Aorus E3.5 boasts a 3.5-inch woven composite woofer for adept bass handling and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter for smooth high-frequency reproduction. Its Class AB amplifier efficiently manages complex audio without introducing distortion, ensuring clarity even at higher volume. With a reliable frequency response range of 80 Hz to 20 kHz, it faithfully reproduces sounds with ample depth. Furthermore, the Iris E3.5 delivers precise acoustic customization through its adjustable high and low frequency controls, ranging from -6 dB to +6 dB. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.